video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is 95 attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive, interest, and enjoy the surroundings. 6 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various rate plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have already visited this hotel, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss